Hey, it's Pat from AsteroidX, and I just want to give you a quick walkthrough of the permissions process. Now, this happens from your Seller Central to a company like ours at AsteroidX. Permissions exist from Amazon Seller Central to grant apps, staff members, employees, just limited access to parts of your account that you want them to touch, and it leaves the rest out. So in this case, AsteroidX, we're an Amazon PPC management service, so we help you make more money on Amazon by managing your ads. We will need ad-specific permissions. Different apps, different services will need different permissions, but we are just looking at the slice of Seller Central that pertains to ads right now. So little note here before we get started: if you've never run ads before in Seller Central, like not a single pay-per-click ad, you must first go to Campaign Manager. You start a campaign yourself from your end, and then that'll unlock these additional permissions. So, but this note only applies if you've never run ads before. If you have run ads, we'll just jump right into step one here. So, zoom in here under Settings. Hit User Permissions. So in Seller Central, in the top right-hand corner, you'll see Settings and User Permissions. You'll then add this email, so ppc@asteroidx.me, as a contact and hit Send Invitation. So that's that. You can just copy-paste this email here. And so that is how we will be granted permissions there. We then, there's a bit of a wait. As the system currently exists, you send an invitation, and then we, from our side, must accept this invitation. So we will accept it, and then we will send you an email confirmation that the invitation has been accepted. So that's that next step there. And then last thing, back on your end, in your Seller Central, you need to edit to specify exactly what sort of permissions AsteroidX is to have. So there are 5 areas for which we require permissions to do our work. So that is outlined here. Basically, everything that was red in this image is the default position of the permission, so we're just going to shift it over. So Campaign Manager, View and Edit. This is the campaigns themselves. Register for Sponsored Products, just View. Business Reports, Sales Summary. Now this does not pertain directly to the ads, but it gives us a sense of how sales are correlating to ads, how the ad sales are affecting organic sales, and just gives us a better overall picture of how the business is doing. So that we can sort of maximize the help that we can provide. Product ads invoice history and product ad performance reports. This is just so we can see how the ads are doing specifically. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. The email here is ppc@asteroidx.info, and that is how you grant permissions not just to our service, but to any service through Seller Central. Thanks for watching.